Hey everyone! So today I want to share with you how I make this super easy creamy vegan macaroni salad. It's so fast to make, so delicious and so affordable. Alright, so I am using some yellow and red bell peppers, some celery, cucumbers and parsley, and also some chopped onion. So let's begin by making the onion vinaigrette. Add some white vinegar to the onion, some olive oil, some black pepper, some salt. I also like to add some dill. Then stir and let it soak for a few minutes. That way you get some delicious sauce vinaigrette. And put it aside while you prepare the other ingredients. And for the macaroni, you can run it under cold water for a bit after cooking it so that the macaroni will not continue cooking. Or you can also let the macaroni cool off on its own, it's up to you. Okay, so now let's add the chopped bell pepper, the celery, we're using a half cup, the cucumber, and also the parsley. Sorry I didn't get it on video. Then gently mix everything together. It's much easier if you use a kitchen tongue to stir it. It helps you to easily combine everything without making a mess. Now it's time to add the mayonnaise. I used 1 cup. This is a plant-based mayonnaise. Then add some sweet pickle juice and also the onion vinaigrette that we prepared earlier. It is ready to be used now. Okay, so now gently fold everything in. Mix it up well until each macaroni is coated with the mayonnaise sauce. It's better if you use a larger bowl to stir it. Then season it with a little bit more black pepper. And stir and voila, we are finished. That was easy, wasn't it? Finally, cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours. That will make it taste even better. So that is how I make my vegan macaroni salad. Check out these next videos for more pasta recipe ideas. Thank you so much for watching.